Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the sounds and vibration. Now just tap to the volume and here you can see the volume, ringtone volume panel. Just to change the ringtone volume of your device you should swipe with the finger to the left or to the right side. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just first be sure that here on the use volume keys for media you got turned off this switcher, and then just click press your up or down volume button, and by this way you can also change the ringtone volume of your device. And also you can do it by this way, just press your up and down volume slide your ringtone volume panel with your finger here to the up and to the down. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.